Hello everyone, this is Young Choi again. This is about question number 35, discussed in your textbook page 205 as part of homework 4. And this data illustrates the relationships between the assistance from their parents and adult, let's say college kids, when they pay rent and also when they buy a car, and how parents assist their children for those two cases. Out of the sample, about 108 respondents assisted when their children buy a car, and 92 they don't assist out of 200 when they buy a car, when their children buy a car. So let's say assistance for the car, assistance for the rent. In this case, 70 out of 200, actually 200 parents, they assist when their children pay rent. And 130, they do not assist their children when they pay rent. So number one, you need to make a joint probability chart or table like this. So as an example, in this case 28% comes up with the 56 out of 200, and C3 in this case divided by total, and here about 26% they do not assist their children when they pay rent, and in this case 26%, and then this one will be about 7%. They do not assist when they buy a car, but they assist for the rent in this case, right? And then 39 is the 39%. They don't assist at all for the case of when they buy a car and when they pay rent, etc. So you need to make a joint probability. And then question number B, using those tables, and what is the chance or likelihood for the car assistance, and that will be about 50%, 54%, I'm sorry, and the other one will be when the probability of the rent assistance will be 35%. Question number C is the case under the condition when they assisted for the car buy, that is 54%. So under that condition, only 28% they assist the for the rent. So we need to come up with the about 51% by 0.28 divided by 0.54 in this case. And question number D is about likely under the condition when they do not support for the car loan or whatever, and that is about 46%, okay, total. And then the chance that they can get assistance when they buy a car, when they pay rent, is only 7%. Let me repeat it. So in this case, under the condition when they do not assist for the car loan, that will be 46%. Out of that, only 7 percent will be assisted for the rent case, right there. So I come up with about 15%, a little over 15%. And question number E is about the financial assistance to buy a car independent of financial assistance to pay rent. they are not independent because the rental kind of assistance is about 35%, and out of that, likely the condition that they support for the car loan and the pay rent is about likely 51% 85, which means 0.28 divided by 0.54. That is around 51%, and that is not equal to likely total likely assistance for the rent, which is in this case 35%. So they are not independent each other. And the last question was the chance that parents provided financial assistance for their adult children by either helping buy a car or pay rent. And basically we need to have a Venn diagram like this, and this case is about the car assistance, and this circle is about the 0.35 in this case when they assist for the rent. So car rent, and this one is about 54%, and this one will be 35%. And then as we calculated right there, that is 0.28% when they get assistance from their parents for the both cases, like a rent and car. So you can come up with A plus B, or you can say car plus this rent, and then subtract this portion, which is in this case 0.28. If you have any questions, let me know. This is about question number 35 in page 205. Thank you.